In the picturesque town of Lunen, Germany, a young boy named Ulrich Tolle spent his childhood surrounded by the tranquil beauty of nature. Little did he know, his early years would plant the seeds for a profound spiritual journey that would change the lives of millions. Ulrich, later known as Eckhart Tolle, was born into a conventional middle-class family, but from a young age, he felt a deep sense of unease and disconnection from the world around him. As a sensitive and introspective child, Eckhart was acutely aware of the inner turmoil that plagued him. He struggled with anxiety and depression, feeling as though he were trapped in a never-ending cycle of suffering. Yet, amidst the darkness, there was a glimmer of hope, a longing for something more, a yearning for truth and meaning. Eckhart's quest for answers led him on a journey of self-discovery that would span decades. He devoured books on philosophy, psychology, and spirituality, seeking solace in the wisdom of ancient teachings and modern thinkers alike. But it wasn't until he reached the brink of despair that Eckhart experienced a profound awakening, a moment of clarity that would change the course of his life forever. One fateful night, as Eckhart sat alone in his small apartment, consumed by despair, something extraordinary happened. In the depths of his suffering, he had a revelation, a sudden realization that he was not his thoughts, nor his emotions, but something far greater. In that moment, Eckhart experienced a profound sense of inner peace and stillness, the kind that transcends understanding. This awakening marked the beginning of a new chapter in Eckhart's life. He embarked on a journey of inner exploration, diving deep into the essence of his being. Drawing inspiration from the teachings of spiritual masters like Buddha and Jesus, as well as contemporary mystics like J. Krishnamurti, Eckhart delved into the nature of consciousness and the power of presence. As Eckhart's understanding deepened, he began to share his insights with others. He started teaching small classes and workshops, offering simple yet profound guidance on how to break free from the grip of the mind and awaken to the reality of the present moment. Eckhart's message resonated deeply with those who were struggling with their own inner demons, offering them a glimmer of hope in a world filled with chaos and uncertainty. But it wasn't until Eckhart published his seminal work, The Power of Now, that his teachings reached a global audience. The book became an instant phenomenon, striking a chord with readers around the world who were hungry for a deeper understanding of themselves and the universe. In The Power of Now, Eckhart distilled centuries of wisdom into a simple yet transformative message, that true liberation comes from surrendering to the present moment. With his newfound fame, Eckhart's influence continued to grow. He became a sought-after speaker, traveling the world to share his teachings with audiences large and small. Yet, despite his success, Eckhart remained humble and grounded, always emphasizing that he was simply a messenger of truth, not its source. One of the key tenets of Eckhart's teachings is the concept of presence, the practice of being fully engaged in the here and now, free from the shackles of past regrets and future anxieties. He taught that true peace and fulfillment can only be found in the present moment, and that by cultivating awareness and acceptance, we can transcend the limitations of the ego and experience a deeper sense of connection with ourselves and the world around us. But perhaps Eckhart's greatest gift is his ability to speak directly to the human heart. He has a rare talent for cutting through the noise of the mind and speaking to the essence of who we are. Through his gentle yet powerful presence, Eckhart invites us to awaken to our true nature, to recognize that we are not separate from the universe, but an integral part of it. Over the years, Eckhart's teachings have touched the lives of millions, offering them a path to inner peace and freedom. From the stressed-out executive who learns to find stillness in the chaos of the corporate world, to the grieving mother who discovers solace in the midst of her pain, Eckhart's message has the power to transform lives in profound ways. But perhaps his greatest impact has been in the realm of mental health. Eckhart's teachings offer a lifeline to those who are struggling with anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues, showing them that there is a way out of the darkness, that true healing comes from within. As Eckhart reflects on his journey, he is filled with gratitude for the opportunities he has been given and the lives he has been privileged to touch. He knows that the path to awakening is not always easy, but it is always worth it. And so, he continues to inspire, to guide, and to remind us all of the infinite potential that lies within each and every one of us. Eckhart Tolle's story is a testament to the power of the human spirit and the transformative potential of awakening to the present moment. It is a story of courage, resilience, and the unwavering belief in the possibility of a better world. And above all, it is a story of love, a love that transcends time and space, uniting us all in the eternal embrace of the present moment.